What's up, everybody? Plan B Skater 1231 here, and I got a little unboxing for you from Jared Mintz. And yes, I'm doing this in my car because I feel like it. But yeah, and I already opened the package so I could save time doing this, but I haven't looked in. So you guys get first peek. There's everything down inside there. Yeah, we traded my Redemption hybrid mold for Berlinwood old mold, and so see, so what? Okay, Pokemon sticker. That's pretty cool. Thanks for that. Let's see what other sticker. Another Pokemon sticker. That's pretty weird. And flat face Rasta. And I think that's not all the extras. Here's a couple chocolate tech deck stickers. I think I found something else in there. Yeah. Let's see. Another Pokemon sticker. Dude, you must have Pokemon. I used to. Right there it says BWOM for Berlinwood Old Mold, I guess. And yeah. See, that's all in the package. And Berlinwood. See how I can do this. Oh, no. I already dropped the camera. Let's see. You get to watch it like this. That's a lot of tape. Oh, y'all hear that? It's called thunder. Got to rain out here in Tennessee. Yeah, of course it's about to rain. We got tornadoes, floods. What else is God gonna put in us? Dude, come on. He packaged this amazingly. Oh. Alright. Okay. Oh, that's pretty sick. Okay, so here it is. Berlinwood Old Mold. Nice. There's the shape of it. Has FBS, I believe, on top. That's what it feels like. Little sticky bottom ply. That's a nice, like, exotic bottom ply. I don't know if you can see that because this is my phone. So I can't really tell. Looks like it has a blue middle ply. Yeah, blue middle ply. Sorry for coughing. But yeah, thank you, Jared. Pretty cool. Catch you guys later. Peace.